Good afternoon, everybody. This is the last intro that you're ever going to see in my old bedroom, because by the time you see this video I will be moving house and I'm going to be doing moving vlogs on my vlog channel, so I will leave that linked below. But yeah, this video is my new apartment's empty apartment tour. I'm so excited for this flat. I really do love it. I've been really messed around this year. I was planning to buy somewhere, and from December until literally 2 weeks ago I've had 3 properties fall through for various different reasons. So I've been messed around for a good 6 months and I've had to rent somewhere for another year. I didn't want to rent back here because my mind was so in the zone of like, I'm moving soon, like I'm gonna own somewhere, I'm gonna be moving, and I just couldn't get my head back out of that zone to end up staying here for another year. So I decided to move. My new place is also a little bit cheaper, so that's very nice. I can save some more money for my deposit. Don't forget to check out my vlog channel if you would like to see moving vlogs. I love moving vlogs so much. It's Sunday to me right now and I move on Tuesday, so I'm like in a mad panic trying to get everything packed. Hey Nelson, whoop, whoop, whoop. If you would like to check out my empty apartment tour, carry on watching. Oh my god, so I've just got to my flat. I'm obsessed with it. I actually want to buy it, like I want to live here forever. It's like my favourite. I don't actually want to go home. I've got like, how many days until I move? 8 days until I move, and I feel like laying on the living room floor and just waiting there for 8 days. Look how cool this is. I can vlog here, and the cupboards are low enough for kitchen chats. If you've been here for ages, you will know that I used to do cupboard chats where I just put my vlog camera in the cupboard while I was cooking or whatever and just chatted, and everybody loved it. Strange things did happen here, no stranger would it be if we met at midnight in the hanging tree. Look at her, she's wicked, get her! Bring me down, getting me through the night. And then every flat I've been to, I'm really short, so the cupboards have been way too tall, and here they're the perfect height. Look. I'm so excited. Right, I'm gonna show you the whole flat. So starting off in the hallway, this is my front door behind me, and then when you come round, I've got a cupboard there, which I actually think is just a wardrobe. Yeah, that's cute. And some storage above there. If I twizz you round, they've actually left a mirror there. But yeah, this is the hallway, and I will go into the bathroom first. So as we walk in, this bathroom is massive. I'm gonna try not to clunk my shoes. There's a gorgeous towel radiator there, and the toilet, and they've left me heart toilet paper, which is the cutest thing. I'm so excited about that. And then the boiler is just in there. Then it's got this gorgeous window and vanity unit, so buzzing to put all my stuff into that. And then it's got a massive shower. It's not got a bath, but I'm so okay with that, because if I did somewhere up, I would just have a huge shower like this, because it's what I prefer. So that is a massive shower. And then if we come round here, in these little cupboards at the end, I've got a washer and a dryer, which I'm very, very excited about. But yeah, this bathroom is so big. I've just changed the lighting, so it might look a little bit different. I'm so excited. Look how big it is. I could actually do a waltz in here. I love this radiator as well. It's so cute. And then as we come out of here, we are back in the hallway. The hallway is blue, which is cool. We get to the first bedroom. Now I'm gonna have to change the lighting, because as you can see, when you try and show windows, it makes everything else look dark. So here we go, that is better. It's got this gorgeous windows at one end, and then when I turn around, the fireplace is so cute. I love it. And if I walk all the way around, I'm really trying to be quiet with my feet, but it's so hard because it's all wooden floor. Yeah, this is just what it looks like. It's a huge room. It's absolutely bloody massive. And I guess I'm gonna have my bed there and possibly a desk over here and make it like a little work area. I'm gonna have a mirror on here, and then I'm actually bringing my pink sofa, and I think I'm gonna have it in this corner, just because it is such a big room. But the best part about this room is that it has a balcony. I flip back to the old lighting so you can see it a bit better. But if I open this door, oh, it's just beautiful. look at my view. I'm hoping you can hear me because it's very windy. My old view was of the sea, but this is equally as gorgeous. It's just absolutely stunning. Let me know as well what you guys would do with these rooms. I'll be so intrigued to know, but I think this is going to be my bedroom. And then if we turn round in the hallway, this is the second bedroom. Ideally would be mine. However, these are the wardrobes. They are Japanese. I'm not sure of the word, but they're Japanese and they're very authentic and they cost 4 figures to replace. So I am gonna have this as a filming room because they're pretty much just paper. They're so thin and I don't want him to be chasing a fly and like run into them or anything. And he sleeps on my bed at night, so I'm not gonna make this my bedroom, even though I would love to because it's beautiful. It's very Japanesey themed. It's got these lights on the walls, so obviously your bed would go here. The windows are stunning. It's got the same view as the balcony has, so just gorgeous greenery outside. It's so pretty. And then as I turn round, this is what the room looks like from this angle. So as I said, the bed would go here. I am having a bed in the second bedroom this time, so this will be a bedroom, it just won't be mine. These are literally incredible. Let me show you what's behind. So behind these is an entire Pax Ikea wardrobe system. I have wanted one of these for the longest time. I didn't think I would ever get one in a rental, but how insane is that? I can have my bag storage on here, all of my clothes and coats. This has got like sunglasses sections, which I'm so happy about. And then the wardrobe goes all the way down there as well. So it's like the size of the entire wall. I love the floor in this place as well. I think it might be semi-original flooring, but it's so gorgeous. It's just got this like border around it. As you can see at the end of the bedroom, it's got a little ensuite, which has got a shower in the corner, which is so handy. A little sink there, and this gorgeous pink stained glass window. I'm obsessed. Everything about this flat I'm just obsessed with. Then obviously it's got a toilet. But yeah, how gorgeous. I actually want to cry. So we're back in the hallway now, and the opposite direction we have got the living room. Once again, I'm absolutely obsessed. It's a massive room. I've just switched lighting again so you can see it properly, but it's absolutely massive. It's got this gorgeous window, and once again, the floor that runs through the whole place. And then the fireplace is really cute. Can't wait to put a little mirror above that. But as you turn around, it's just a really, really, really big room. And then at the end there, it's got these shelves, which I think I'm gonna put like bowls and plates on. I feel like that will look nice. But here's one last little overview. I'm gonna be putting my dining table there. It's just gorgeous. And then moving into the last room, this is the kitchen. I actually weirdly like this room. I did not think I would like red and wood together, but I think it's quite cute, to be honest. It looks very cottagey to me for some reason. So you come in from there, and it's just got the fridge and freezer at the end, and then ovens and stuff. So much storage above head and so much storage below as well. I love that it's got so many drawers because I love drawers so much. It's got an induction hob, so I'm gonna have to get some new pans. But yeah, below that it's just got incredible storage. Like, look at this freaking pan drawer. You will appreciate this so much if you have moved out of home and you have your own pans and stuff. Like, honestly, a pan drawer is incredible, and this too. But then if we go the other way, it's just got this kind of breakfast nook. I know Nelly will be obsessed with sitting on there, so I'm going to pop him a little bed on there, which some may say is gross in a kitchen, but I don't care. He's going to love it. I can get some little stools for here to sit and do my work here and look out of the window. But that is the entire flat. I'm just going to do a quick walk through to show you it properly. Also, look at these freaking spice racks. Wow. So that is the end of my empty apartment tour. Nelson's just come to join. Oh, the goozy. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and make sure you check out my vlog channel and subscribe to this channel, because there will be so many homeware kind of videos on this channel as well as my vlog channel. I think I'll be putting like hauls and then a full apartment tour. I get a new sofa in August, which I'm very excited about, so I will definitely be filming a full apartment tour in August. It's an adventure. He likes watching the birds through that window. That's like his little window. Oh, he's not gonna have that window anymore. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!